Hello, Jams. In this video, we are going to explore about equations of straight line. We'll see in and out of equation of a straight line. So, at the end of this video, we'll be confident with what is equation of a straight line, basic things, okay? And before diving into the topic, just make sure to subscribe to Mathemus. And this channel is completely for IGCSE Maths, and also like, share, and do all the rituals. So whatever the graphs you are having, whatever, for example, we'll take different straight lines. This is a straight line, this is a straight line, this is a straight line. Whatever the line you are taking, you can represent that with an equation. What is the general form for the equation of a straight line is this, it is represented by y equal to mx plus c. Why we are calling it as y equal to mx plus c? What is this m? What is this x? What it tells us? What does this c represent? Okay, so actually, if you see, for this is a graph, right? Coordinate system. In this, we are having x-axis. For each thing, the value of x is different. Yes, if you are taking a point here, it is a negative. That is, if you are taking a point here, it is a positive. At each value of x, there is a corresponding y value. Yes or no? So in this point, you are having one x and one y value. Yes or no? Like this, if you take this entire equation, for each value of x, you'll be having different values of y. So this equation is telling us for which value of x we'll be having what value of y. So it is telling all the points that lies on this one. So in order to make an equation of this line, we need this y and x, and also with that we need two more information, that is m and c. What is meant by m means m is gradient. Gradient tells us the slope of the line. We'll see with an example. Now you just consider, I have created an equation y equal to 3x. So this is telling the slope. Yes. Now I'm just changing the value of 3 to 2. Y equal to 2x. It is changing. Yes or no? Same way, y equal to 1x. Y equal to minus 3x. Y equal to minus 5x. Now, what is happening everywhere? The steepness of the line is changing. Yes or no? So, if you are having the coefficient of x is represented with the gradient. With this slanting, we know how to find the gradient if 2 points is given like that we saw in the previous video. Using the gradient, I can able to frame an equation of a line. But to tell the exact line, this is the exact line, we need y-intercept. For example, you just see, I'm just, okay. Now we'll consider y equal to 3x. Same way, I'm just considering y equal to 3x plus 1. Y equal to 3x plus 2. Y equal to 3x minus 5. Let us see what is happening in this picture. If you see, you're having this gradient, this 3. Gradient, this 3 means the steepness is fixed. The steepness is not changing. But here, this plus 1, plus 2, plus 5 or minus 5, what it is telling means where the graph should pass through the y-axis. If you see this violet color, is this graph alone. Yes, I'm just removing other. Yes. If you see this violet color graph, this 3x plus 2 tells us it is passing through this point 2. Yes or no? So, this has a steepness of 3 and it is passing through point 2. That is what it tells. If I am taking just this one, this is just 3x and there is no y-intercept. So, it is passing through 0. If I am taking this one, t equal to 3x minus 5. So this slanting, the slope is 3x and it is passing through minus 5. If you know gradient and y-intercept, you can make an equation of this line. Now let's see an example. Find the equation of a line if you have gradient 2 and it passes through 3, 5. So if they give the gradient and a point. How we will do this? It is very easy. What is the general equation of a line? Y equal to mx plus c. Here, m tells us the gradient. Here they mention gradient as 2. So, directly substitute this. Y equal to 2x plus c. Now, what we have to do means we have to find the value of c. To find the value of c, we should use this point. We know this line is passing through this one. So what is the meaning of that? This is x, this is y. It is passing through 3, 5. So substitute this value here. When 3, 5 means instead of y, you just substitute 5 equal to 2 into 3 plus c. So 5 equal to 6 plus c, c equal to 5 minus 6, c equal to minus 1. I'm just bringing this 6 this side, so minus 6. So it is minus 1. So what is the general equation of the line? Means y equal to 2x minus 1. Now we'll see, find the equation of line if you have 2 points like this. Okay, so here which is missing? So general equation is y equal to mx plus c. First we should know gradient, but here they gave only 2 points. Now we are using 2-point method to find the gradient. First find gradient. M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is equal to 8 minus 3 divided by 6 minus 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5 by 1. So the gradient here is 5. So what is the general equation? Y equal to mx plus c. 5x plus c. Now we have to find the value of c. We can take any one point and substitute and find the value of c. So I'll take 5, 3. Okay. So y equal to 5x plus c. I'm going to substitute 5 equal to 5 into, y is 3, right? So 3 equal to 5 into 5 plus c. So 3 equal to 25 plus c. So c equal to 3 minus 25, c equal to minus 22. So main equation will be y equal to 5x minus 22. So it will pass through minus 22 and it has positive gradient like this. Okay, that's all. Are you clear with this? This is minus 22. Y-intercept is minus 22. So this is how we find the equation of a line. If we have 2 points, and the equation of a line if we have one gradient and a point. And also we are having different situations that we'll see in next video. So if you want any other topics to discuss, you just mention in the comment box. So for more videos like this, please subscribe. And this is Mathematics, and it's completely focused on IT skills. Stay tuned with Mathematics.